Spice up your health, exploring the remarkable benefits of cinnamon. Cinnamon is a spice made from the inner bark of trees from the genus Cinnamomum. It's been used for its medicinal properties for centuries and is now widely available. Proven health benefits of cinnamon: reduced risk of heart disease. Cinnamon can lower blood pressure, reduce LDL cholesterol, and lower the risk of heart disease. Better brain function. Cinnamon can improve cognitive function and memory and help protect against neurological diseases. Lower blood sugar levels. Cinnamon can help lower insulin resistance, reduce blood sugar levels, and improve metabolic health. Anti-cancer properties. Cinnamon contains antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties that can help protect against cancer. Keeps your skin healthy. Cinnamon's anti-aging, antibacterial, and antifungal properties protect skin from free radical damage and infections. Eases menstrual pain. Cinnamon balances hormones by increasing progesterone and decreasing testosterone in women. Thank you for watching our video on cinnamon's health benefits. If you found it valuable, consider sharing it and leaving a comment. Subscribe for more insights on natural health enhancement. Your engagement helps spread wellness knowledge.